Another scorching hot day on Friday over Western South Africa, and the South African Weather Service has issued an advisory for heat wave conditions expected into this weekend. So keep on watching to see exactly how hot it's going to get. Quickly heating up on Friday over Western South Africa. Extremely hot and uncomfortable conditions expected, with maximum temperatures soaring to the upper 30s over parts of the Northern and Western Cape. Into the weekend, the South African Weather Service has issued an advisory for heat wave conditions over parts of Namaqualand. This includes the West Coast district as well as the Winelands of the Western Cape, parts of the Central and the Little Karoo. Heat wave conditions will continue into Sunday, with maximum temperatures soaring above 40 degrees over parts of the Swartland as well as the Winelands of the Western Cape. Now, if you're wondering why we are not issuing a heat wave advisory for the mother city, if we're expecting a temperature of 37 on Saturday and 33 degrees on Sunday. Now, to understand this, you need to know what exactly is a heat wave. Now, for a heat wave to be issued, the forecasted temperature needs to be 5 degrees or more above the average temperature of the hottest month, and this should persist for 3 days or more. So, for example, in Cape Town, the average temperature for the hottest month is 27 degrees, so the forecast temperature should be 32 degrees or higher for at least 3 days or more for it to be considered a heat wave. Back to your forecast on Friday. Due to the heat and a little bit of moisture, we are expecting a few isolated thunderstorms to develop over parts of the Northern Cape, Northwest and Free State, and light showers spreading along the Eastern Escarpment. A scorching day for the Western Cape with a high of 40 degrees in Vredendal, extremely hot in Clanwilliam with a temperature of 41 degrees. Please take care of the vulnerable, stay hydrated, and do not leave kids and pets unattended in a hot car. We're expecting temperatures in the low 20s along the southern coastline, but becoming extremely hot and uncomfortable in Beaufort West, with isolated thunderstorms likely to move over parts of the Karoo on Friday evening. And then into the Eastern Cape, partly cloudy skies for the coastal areas with temperatures in the mid-20s, becoming hotter in Aliwal North and a high of 24 expected in Kua. Moving to KwaZulu-Natal, we're expecting a mainly southerly to easterly winds along the coast, 29 degrees in Durban, 27 in Pietermaritzburg and 28 degrees in Newcastle. Becoming partly cloudy in parts of Mpumalanga. It's mostly cloudy at first with a drizzle possible along the escarpment later, 29 degrees in Bombela as well as Kukuza. Light drizzle at first along the eastern escarpment, mostly cloudy skies with 28 degrees in Thohoyandou, and a sunny and hot day for the western and southern parts of Limpopo. And then quickly heating up in Northwest on a Friday with a high of 29 degrees in Mahikeng. Very isolated thunderstorms possible over the north as well as the west. Due to enough moisture and the extreme heat in the Northern Cape, we are expecting a few isolated thunderstorms to move down from the northern parts over the central and later the southern parts of the province. But it's a mainly partly cloudy and dry day for the Free State. Sunny skies the afternoon and reaching 31 degrees in Bloemfontein. Also a mainly sunny, warm to very warm and dry day in store for Gauteng on Friday. Your weekend forecast looks uncomfortably hot during heat wave conditions in the west, soaring to 43 degrees in Vredendal, 37 expected in the mother city, 33 yet again on Sunday. Another hot day for the west with isolated thunderstorms that might bring some relief to the heat over parts of the Northern and Western Cape. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.